Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please do not fail to subscribe, share, like, and I want to see you all in the comment section. Thank you guys for your continuous support. So here is the look we're going to be doing today. So in order to achieve this look, you have to definitely use an Ankara, any Ankara material it is that you have in the house. So what I did was to use a 6 yards Ankara. If you have a lesser yard, it means that you're going to get a lesser effect and no longer that very big effect. So the first thing I did was just to place my Ankara on my head, my material on my head, and the rule for this particular gele is 50-50, so they have to be equal at both sides. So I took the right hand side of my Ankara and twisted it to the other side of my head. So I'm just going to pin it at both sides so that my Ankara does not loosen. I just want to make sure that it is secured. So for this particular gele, the basic thing we're going to be doing is just to be twisting the gele around. So I just took the other part of my Ankara, which is at my left hand side. I took it towards my right hand area. You just have to be sure that you place your Ankara on top each other so that it doesn't fall. But if it's not too secured by you, you can continue pinning it. So my next step was to take the Ankara at my right hand area, and then I took it over towards the other side of my neck.
Just to make me laugh, and when I'm down, you cheer me up. You stick around even when I'm mad. You always go to the end.
Your gele has to be really long in order for you to be able to do this, guys. So I just took the left hand side of my Ankara and took it towards the back and made sure that I knotted it very well so that my gele doesn't fall. Thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, please do not fail to support your girl. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I love you all. Bye.